If Gimp is showing a permission denied error when you try to open a file, don't worry. This is usually a Windows security setting or a file access issue, and in this video I'll show you the fastest way to fix it. In many cases, the problem is caused by Windows Defender's controlled folder access, which is designed to protect your files from ransomware, but can accidentally block Gimp from reading or saving images in protected folders. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's look at the most common cause on Windows. Open the Start menu and type Controlled Folder Access. Click the result to open the Windows security setting. This feature is sometimes strict with apps like Gimp, especially if you're opening files from folders like Documents, Pictures, or other protected locations. Once you're inside Controlled Folder Access, look for the option that says Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Click that, then choose Add an allowed app. Now, you'll need to locate the Gimp executable file, which is usually called gimp.exe. Select it and add it to the allowed list. This tells Windows that Gimp is safe and should be allowed to open or save files normally. After that, try launching Gimp again and open the same file one more time. In a lot of cases, that alone fixes the permission denied message right away. If Gimp still cannot open the file, the next thing to check is the file location itself. Sometimes the issue is not Gimp at all. It's the folder the file is stored in. If your image is inside a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive or Dropbox, that file may be temporarily locked while syncing in the background. That can prevent Gimp from getting full access. The easiest workaround is to move the file to your desktop or another simple local folder first. Then, open Gimp and try loading the file from there. You can also test whether the problem is specific to that file or folder by creating a copy of the image and opening the copy instead. If the copy works, then the original location was likely the issue. This is especially helpful when a file is stored in a protected system folder or in a synced folder that is still updating. Another useful tip is to make sure the file itself is not open in another program. If an image viewer, cloud app, or editor is already using the file, Gimp may not be able to access it properly. Close any app that might be using the file, wait a few seconds, and then try again. So to recap, if you get a Gimp error opening file permission denied on Windows, first allow Gimp through controlled folder access, then move the file to the desktop or another folder outside of cloud syncing, and finally try opening it again. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the issue quickly. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and I'll keep making simple troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.